Regularly cleaning your gutters is an important part of maintaining your home and protecting it from water damage. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to clean your gutters in a safe and efficient manner. Step 1. Before you begin, gather all the necessary supplies. You will need a sturdy ladder, work gloves, a trowel, a bucket or trash bag, and a garden hose. It's important to wear gloves to protect your hands from sharp debris in the gutters. Step 2. Secure your ladder. Place your ladder on a flat surface, and make sure it's tall enough to reach the gutters. Make sure the ladder is secure by placing it against a wall or using ladder stabilizers. Step 3. Start cleaning. Scoop out any debris from the gutters, starting from the downspout and working your way toward the other end. Be careful not to damage the gutter or downspout while removing debris. Place the debris into your bucket or trash bag. Step 4. Rinse with water. Once you have removed all the debris, rinse the gutters with a garden hose to wash away any remaining dirt or small debris. Start at the opposite end of the downspout to ensure that water flows freely towards it. Step 5. Check the downspout. Check that the downspout is clear and that water is flowing freely through it. If water isn't flowing, use a plumbing snake or a high-pressure nozzle on your garden hose to clear the blockage. Step 6. Finish up. Once you have finished cleaning the gutters, remove your ladder and dispose of the debris in your bucket or trash bag. If you notice any damage to your gutters, such as rust or cracks, make sure to repair them promptly to prevent future issues. That's it. Following these steps will help you clean your gutters like a pro. Remember to always practice safety and never hesitate to seek professional help if you're uncomfortable working on your gutters. Regular gutter cleaning will protect your home from water damage and save you money in the long run.